Die Verneinung mit kein. The negation with kein. This exercise is similar to one we've done before when we compared three boys. This time we will compare Wolfgang und Jürgen and add some adjectives. So, Wolfgang und Jürgen sind sehr gute Freunde, aber sie sind sehr unterschiedlich. Can you compare them? What does Wolfgang have and what does Jürgen have? How do you say? Wolfgang has a wife, Jürgen has no wife. Wolfgang hat eine Frau, Jürgen hat keine Frau. How do you say Wolfgang has a kind wife and Jürgen has no kind wife? Wolfgang hat eine nette Frau, Jürgen hat keine nette Frau. Die Kinder, the children. Wolfgang has children, Jürgen has no children. Wolfgang hat Kinder, Jürgen hat keine Kinder. Wolfgang has small children and Jürgen has no small children. Wolfgang hat kleine Kinder, Jürgen hat keine kleinen Kinder. When you use an adjective with the negation keine in the plural, then this adjective ending is actually the same as in the plural for definite articles. So you would say die kleinen Kinder and you also say keine kleinen Kinder because you do know how many children he has. None. Er hat keine kleinen Kinder. So it's kind of specific, it's kind of definite again. When you say Wolfgang hat kleine Kinder, then you don't know how many. You just know he has small children. So that's why when you give the positive statement, you have to use the adjective ending of the indefinite plural. Wolfgang hat kleine Kinder. And when you use the negation, then you have to use the adjective ending of the definite objects, of the definite plural. Jürgen hat keine kleinen Kinder. Yeah? We will practice this later on. But now let's go on with der Job. Wolfgang has no job and Jürgen has a job. How do you say that? Wolfgang hat keinen Job, Jürgen hat einen Job. Wolfgang has no good job and Jürgen has a good job. Wolfgang hat keinen guten Job, Jürgen hat einen guten Job. Das Auto. Wolfgang has no car, Jürgen has a car. Wolfgang hat kein Auto, Jürgen hat ein Auto. Wolfgang has no fast car and Jürgen has a fast car. Wolfgang hat kein schnelles Auto, Jürgen hat ein schnelles Auto. The garden. Wolfgang has a garden, Jürgen has no garden. Wolfgang hat einen Garten, Jürgen hat keinen Garten. Wolfgang has a big garden, Jürgen has no big garden. Wolfgang hat einen großen Garten, Jürgen hat keinen großen Garten. Die Zeit. Wolfgang has time, Jürgen has no time. Wolfgang hat Zeit, Jürgen hat keine Zeit. Do they have a boat? Wolfgang doesn't have a boat, Jürgen has a boat. Wolfgang hat kein Boot, Jürgen hat ein Boot. Wolfgang has no blue boat, Jürgen has a blue boat. Wolfgang hat kein blaues Boot, Jürgen hat ein blaues Boot. What about the dog? Wolfgang has a dog and Jürgen has no dog. Wolfgang hat einen Hund, Jürgen hat keinen Hund. Wolfgang has a black dog and Jürgen has no black dog. Wolfgang hat einen schwarzen Hund. Jürgen hat keinen schwarzen Hund. Die Website. Wolfgang doesn't have a website. Jürgen has a website. Wolfgang hat keine Website. Jürgen hat eine Website. Wolfgang doesn't have a modern website. Jürgen has a modern website. Wolfgang hat keine moderne Website. Jürgen hat eine moderne Website. Und die Hobbys. Wolfgang has no hobbies. Jürgen has hobbies. Wolfgang hat keine Hobbys, Jürgen hat Hobbys. Wolfgang has no interesting hobbies and Jürgen has interesting hobbies. So pay attention, that's the plural. Wolfgang hat keine interessanten Hobbys. Jürgen hat interessante Hobbys. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.